Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making sure Apple Pay is active in Wallet and your preferred card is listed. This avoids interruptions during checkout. Next, open the Aliexpress app on your iPhone or iPad. Make sure it's updated so Apple Pay appears. Add the items you want, then tap Buy Now to move directly to payment. Once on the checkout screen, look for the Apple Pay button. If it's visible, tap it to initiate the secure payment flow immediately. Now you'll review shipping address and the final order total so there are no surprises when Apple Pay loads. Currency mismatches can change costs, so check that too. Tap the Apple Pay button and confirm the card, billing address, and selected shipping option. When everything matches, authenticate. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode, so Aliexpress receives tokenized payment data. Once authentication completes, the app will process the charge. After authorizing, wait for Aliexpress to display an order confirmation and number. You should also get an Apple Pay receipt in Wallet for your records. If Apple Pay doesn't appear, make sure you're in the app's supported region, update the app, or retry checkout in Safari where Apple Pay is often supported. Also re-enable the card in Wallet if needed. If a charge is declined, contact your bank, and if the order fails on Aliexpress, reach out to their support with your confirmation details for help resolving it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.